I'm in Venice. I'm on the Zattere, which is that long stretch, kind of a fondamenta facing Giudecca on the southern side of Venice. And I'm here today on the Zattere ai Incurabili, which you can see the sign right behind me. Behind that brick wall there used to be, it was kind of a hospital and an orphanage, originally founded in 1522 by two noblewomen to treat women who had syphilis and to take in orphans and train them as singers and things like that. But I'm really here to tell you about a woman named Teresa Ployant, who came to Venice early in her life. She was a doctor of obstetrics, and she worked here and trained other women to become obstetricians and gynecologists. Delivered a lot of babies here behind this wall. So she was a bit unusual because at this time men were really starting to take over the medical profession. They saw that there was money in it. They saw that women had been traditional healers for a long time, and yet a lot of men thought, well, gosh, we could make some good money doing this. Don't just take my word for this. I did a bunch of research, especially by Ehrenreich and English, who kind of researched the medical practices of women. Anyways, Teresa, like I said, she trained other women doctors here, and they ran a full hospital with a pharmacy and everything. And one of the things she really believed was that women were very well suited to be obstetricians. Around this time, some men had invented the forceps to, pull the baby out when it was having trouble being born. And this often caused infections, tearing, damage to the baby and to the mother. And so Teresa really thought, no, women should use their hands. And she was just a strong believer in that. I'll tell you about one other woman midwife from this time period. She wasn't working here, but her name was Benedetta Fedele Trevisan, right around 1800. And her sort of claim to fame was that she invented a more improved birthing chair. So a lot of women for 100 years or so had been using this kind of a chair. You kind of sat in it, it had a hole cut out where the baby was born into, and the improvement that she created was to have kind of a reclining back, so she was making it better and easier for women. So there's a couple of interesting women in the healing arts, and I've got a full chapter on them with a lot more details and all that extra research if you're interested. So thanks for watching another episode of A Beautiful Woman in Venice.